Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoom to Google Drive the easy way. If you want your Zoom recordings to save straight into Drive automatically, or you just want smoother file sharing, this setup will get you ready in a couple of moments. All right, first thing, sign in to your Zoom account. You'll need the regular Zoom dashboard for this, so just log in with your email or your Google account. Once you're in, head over to your settings. Just look at the left-hand menu. Yeah, that one, and click on Settings. This is where Zoom keeps all the recording and cloud storage options. Now scroll down a bit and open the Recording tab. This is really where the Zoom and Google Drive integration lives, so make sure you're in the cloud recording section. All right, now look for the option that says something like Connect to Cloud Storage or Third-Party Storage. Zoom moves things around every year, but it should be right there. Click the button that says Connect beside Google Drive, and Zoom will open a Google Permissions screen. So Google's going to ask for your permission to let Zoom save files into Drive. Just choose your Google account, hit Allow, and wait a second. Zoom will sync automatically once the permission goes through. After the approval, you should see Google Drive listed as your active storage location. If it shows up right there, yeah, that means everything's connected. From now on, any cloud recording you make in Zoom will show up inside a folder in your Drive. And that's it. You're all set. Connecting Zoom to Google Drive is honestly one of the easiest ways to keep your meetings organized. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. I've got plenty more coming.